As a member of the committee at my child's school, I have a job of creating a flyer for the students to take home to their parents for the upcoming field day. I have my flyer here, and I will present why I think my flyer will be the most attractive to the children's parents by discussing the use and importance of color, lines, contrast, and balance. First, I will discuss the giant picture of the kid bouncing with the ball in the center. Out of all of the pictures on the flyer, I wanted this one to get the most attention, so I put it in the center and made it the largest image. Because the smiling kid is the central focus of this picture, I thought that the smile would create a balanced visual appeal, which is important in images according to the Module 1 notes, and show that we care about creating a memorable day for everyone that attends the field day. While the other pictures show the variety of field day activities, it is important to show that we want to manage field day in a fun fashion. To create balance with the other pictures, I created a figure all the pictures will form that will be symmetrical to make them as organized as possible. Because the parents will want to know the location and date of the field day, I wanted to find a way to put text in where it will be easily noticeable and readable without making it too big for the pictures. I decided to create two text boxes with a white filling that will show contrast compared to the dark green background. According to a webpage by Jennifer Farley, this will make the purpose of the flyer clearer. I also think that with the pictures, having grass as a lighter green will make it easier to notice from the background. According to a webpage by Jonathan Lister, colors are used to convey the moods you want the flyer viewers to associate with the event. It was important that I made the flyer look green everywhere, from the background to the images to the text, to give a naturistic and outdoorsy feeling, no matter where the reader looked on the flyer. I am doing this so that the viewer can associate the mood they are feeling from reading the flyer with the event. I decided to put horizontal lines in the flyer because I want the readers of the flyer to feel comfortable while reading it, which also matches the idea that we want to make everyone who attends field day to feel comfortable. If we have lines that intimidate or distract the reader, he or she will not be able to pick up on the purpose of the flyer, so according to the Module 1 notes, it is important for us to have lines that will help the viewer stay relaxed. The combination of everything that I have described within my flyer is why I think my flyer will be chosen to give to the parents of the students at this school.